Hello friends, this video shows how you can cancel the Metamask transaction that you have done. So recently I did one transaction and you can see that this transaction is in pending confirmation status, and this was done using the Metamask. You can see that this is the Metamask I was using. Now what I want to do is I want to cancel this transaction. So for that, what I have to do is you have to go to this myetherwallet.com, and there you have to click on check transaction status. Here enter the transaction hash. This is the transaction hash, paste it there, and once that is done, it is saying that one pending transaction is found. After that, what you have to do is that unlock the wallet to replace or cancel the transaction. For that, click on Metamask and then click on connect to Metamask, and after that you can easily cancel the transaction. So just you have to click on generate transaction. Basically what we are doing here is sending the 0 ETH to the your own address, and then click on send transaction. Here click on yes, I'm sure I want to do that. And click on submit. Alright, so here you can verify the transaction. Now you can see that there are 2 transactions pending in status. Let me open my this thing. So this is my address, and as you can see that the transaction has been replaced. Earlier there was a pending transaction and this is replaced by a 0 ether. So once this transaction is confirmed, the whole transaction will be cancelled. Refresh this one. You can see that this is unable to locate this transaction because the transaction has been cancelled and replaced by this new transaction. So basically we have sent the 0 ETH to the your own address. And just give it some time, and after that everything will be fine. That is how you can manage these pending transactions in Metamask. In Metamask, if you go here, you cannot find that thing directly. There is no way to cancel the transaction at all. Okay, so you have to use the MyEther wallet, and then you can cancel the transaction. Thanks for watching this video.